Slide down. Slide down.
Sam is 2 and Danielle is 8 months old.
Whoa! Watch out! Watch out! Here comes Daddy. Watch out! You gotta move. You gotta move. Ready, Dee Dee? Okay, here we go. Ready? Watch out, Sam. Ready?
Dee Dee loves the slide.
Okay, let's do it again.
Go one more time, Sam. Go one more time.
Come on, Sam. Come on. Climb up. Oh, climb up this way. Okay, I'll help you. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Okay, let's help you first. Come on. This way. Go. Go, 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 go. Go fast, go fast. Watch out. Watch out. Here comes Dee Dee. Sam. Move out of the way.
Come here, Sam.
Here we come. We're coming down. Sam, we're gonna run into you.
Samantha.
Samantha. Watch out. Here we come. Dee Dee will slide down, but you have to move so she doesn't hit you. Ready? Here we go.
Come here, Sam.
Sam, go over and sit by Mommy. Go sit by Mommy. You gotta move. Okay, here we come. Here we come.
Dee Dee liked that.
Ouch. Dee, let's go one more time. Come here.
Can you wave at the camera?
Hi. Happy day, happy day.
It's a happy day.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Oh, can you sing it?
Happy day. Happy day.
Here we go, Dee. Here we go.
Happy day.
Hey, Sam. Can you sing me a song?
Happy day.
You can sing me Happy Day. Sing me Happy Day.
Happy day.
The day Jesus.
Now this is the wash.
The day Jesus washed your sins away.
Okay, here we go, Danielle. Whoa! Excuse me. Okay. Here, ready? Grab my hands. Both hands. No, sit down and grab with both hands. Sit down. Come here.
No.
Okay.
Can you crawl up the slide, Sam?
One more time. One more
You
time.
have to go by yourself. Ready? Ready?
Okay, catch her, Sam.
Ready?
Woo!
Whoa.
So good.
What a mommy.
Walk to mommy.
Walk to Mommy.
Or be carried to mommy. All you can do is laugh.
You gonna hold her?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going?
She's heavy, huh, Sam?
Right there. Perfect. She should go up the slide. Ready? Here we go.
Move out of the way.
Carry her to mommy. Carry her to mommy. All the way to mommy. Go. Go. Go.
Deal. And Dee Dee's down. Good job, Sam. Come give me a high five. Sam, come give me a high five.